Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, guys. Today again we will take a look at the euro currency. Let's see what has happened yesterday. You can see our production has continued on euro currency and currently starts to confirm our suggestion that bullish scenario is still valid. And one thing that we just missed on the daily intraday basis is the clear reversal signs, some kind of the thrusting our production. We need to definitely say that indeed euro currency is reestablishing bullish sentiment. And in the recent few sessions we indeed is getting this action. So you can see this for the fourth session in a row market shows some kind of the upside pressure. So maybe it's not stale closing, maybe candles are not really very strong, but still this is relatively stable upward action and with the minor retracements session by session. So the hazard of the bearish grabber has been eliminated. Yes, the euro currency has moved higher. Right now, as you can see, again trying to continue move higher. So everything stands very nice on the daily chart. As indeed, maybe finally we will get the continuation with the monthly weekly setup, and indeed market could try to continue move higher here. Let's see. On the intraday charts, guys, everything has happened as we have suggested. We said that probably market should reestablish upward swing here and test our major 50% level. After that, we expect some retracement down. So usually when market forms upside reversal swing, and currently you can see that this swing up is greater than the previous swing down, greater than this channel that we have discussed. It's been broken recently. Now we need to get some moderate retracement. Usually it's rather deep, so it probably will be 50%, maybe even 618, and probably it could take the shape of kind of the ABCD pattern down. From the harmony point of view, you can see this bottom. It's approximately 2280, as we said yesterday. It stands very close to the major 618 support. Currently, guys, although market's trying to move higher, but take a look, it stands inside the range of this candle. So retracement respect of this area has happened, because if you remember, this was monthly pivot, weekly pivot resistance 1, fib level, some ABCD targets also stand in this area. So market has shown this moderate retracement, but now this is not real breakout, so market stands inside of this range, and from that standpoint, chances on the downward retracement really exist. So this is normal practice on the market. So after reversal swing, some moderate retracement should happen. So currently we are gradually turning to final stage of our trading plan, so to get retracement, to get the dip that we could buy, where we could take the long position. Probably we should get it till the end of the week. So on the hourly chart, you can see that besides of the forming a reversal swing hitting the targets, market has also completed the sequence of the targets and its extensions. So take a look here as our OP target yesterday has been met. Recall what we said previously in last video. We said when market stands here and start to move down, we said OP hasn't quite reached, so that's why we expect that market probably will touch the OP and could start retracement down. But instead of that, you can see OP has been tested, minor pullback, no clear bearish reversal pattern here that could indicate the starting of retracement, and market accelerated further. Right now it has hit the final XOP 123.75, so this ABCD pattern mostly completed. Here, as you can see, currently I'm not just occasionally said that this action stands inside of this swing on the 4-hour time frame chart. It's a kind of inner price action. It's very typical for the possible Gartner's cheaples to sell. So this could become the pattern that will trigger the retracement. Potentially, maybe this butterfly also could be formed, but from the standpoint of this ABCD pattern, the major target already has been hit, so no necessity for market just to take it out of this top to form the bearish reversal pattern. So that's why Gartner's cheaples to sell also could be formed here. and that could start the downward action. So here, guys, I'd not call you to take the short position, because actually this is not this doesn't correspond to overall idea that actually we are watching for bullish patterns. We are watching for a chance to go long. I don't know, if you're a scalp trader, you could just keep an eye on the possible bearish reversal patterns. You would like to make the scalp trade, you could try. But our major object here is wait for the starting of the retracement and wait when this retracement will be over. Currently, I think that at least it should reach 123 area as confidence support, but it's more probable that also it could reach 122.80 maybe, because this is from the harmony point of view existence of the major 618. It would be logical if this will happen and market will show this deep retracement down. That is what we'll be watching for in the newer sessions on the euro currency.